Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a contract on Upwork. All right. You can do this on your phone app as well. Just go ahead over to upwork.com if you're using a web browser. All right. Now, once you're in here on the dashboard, go ahead over to these tabs right here. All right. And you're going to want to hover your mouse to deliver work right here. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and click on contract history. Click on it and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you'll be able to see all of your contracts right here, active or inactive, all right, or basically done. What we're going to do is just go ahead and click on the particular project or contract, all right, click on it. Now, once everything loads right here, just go ahead and click on the three dots right here at the top right, click on it. Now, as you can see, and a contract is available. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to end this contract? You'll be prompted to provide feedback and make any final payments in the following steps. All right. Now, if you're really sure that you wanted to end the contract, just go ahead and click on this one. And in the next page, you will be landed to the feedback section where you would share your feedback with this particular client. All right. That's basically how you end a contract on Upwork. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.